Okay, now we're going to begin cutting this button. It's kind of like carving. It is beautiful. Let me see if I've given you a decent angle on this. I can give you a little better angle, maybe, for a little while. The camera's in my way right now, but not too bad. So I'm carving now the portion of the button that will be at the base of the button that goes into the slide, see? I'm shaping it by hand, just by using this wonderful tool. I made this bit because it's nice and round, and it's so I have to use a kind of a smooth action. I bring it in and I move it forward at the same time. I want a little bit of I'm going to go a little bit more now here, a little bit more. As we come here, I'm going to carve that out a little bit. Let it come out. Flute. Good, good, good. Now, at a certain point, I have to be aware of another parameter, which is that the button at its base should be no bigger and no smaller than the shoulder on the slide. You see? In other words, this width here, right there, that width should be the same as that, just about. Why? That's the way I like to do it. I'm going to bring you over here because this is getting a little bit more picky here. Starting to think about the back part a little bit. So. E sta perfetto. Okay. Let's take a look together, huh? There's the button shape so far. Right there. That's what I want the camera to look like. Right there. Okay. Now I got to shape the other part of the button. The part that the hand touches. Okay? And to do that, I'm going to come in. I'm going to change this angle a little bit. This is the angle of attack that I like for this type of work, because I got to come in behind now. See, I got to come back in behind. How are we doing on time? We're good. Okay. carved away. And it's called a chip. I do not want that chip sitting in there. Okay. Kind of pleasant. Shape of the button now. I'm looking that part right there. That'll be the touch part the hand touches. Okay. So I have to carve out quite a bit from the back. I don't like the sound of that. And what I don't like about the sound is that I think it needs a little bit more oil. I can just hear it. It's not making the noise it normally makes. Now I did oil it the other day, but I think it started to disappear a little bit, so I'm just gonna re-oil everything again and make sure that everything is completely lubricated here. I just didn't see, I know the noises this thing makes, and I'm pretty clear about how it runs. You hear the difference? It just had a little bit of oil. I need to start thinking about what do I have to do so it can be cut off. See it? To work that back edge, prepare it to get cut off. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this angle again to a straight line. And again. Now I've got a straight shot. And that's too much for the machine there. That's the best. It's going to be okay. I'm pretty ready for a cutoff now, but that's not what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand sand that while it's on here.